If you've used OBS, you've probably hit this at some point. You say something and then your lips move a split second later. This is audio latency, and the good news is that you don't have to fix everything in editing every single time. You can actually fix this problem right inside of OBS, and here's how. OBS has a setting called sync offset in the advanced audio properties for your microphone, and you get there by opening the audio mixer, clicking the gear icon next to your audio source, and then hitting advanced audio properties. There you'll see a column called sync offset ms, which stands for milliseconds. Now, before you just go type any number in, there's something important that you need to understand about how this actually works. The sync offset is pushing your audio by a real amount. It's not a display trick. It's genuinely shifting your audio track in your recording or your stream. A positive value delays the audio, so you'll use this when your audio is playing ahead of the video, basically when you hear the clap before the hands meet on screen. And then a negative value is OBS delaying everything else to make sure that your audio will appear earlier. Now here's where most people get stuck. The sync offset uses milliseconds, but if you've ever fixed audio sync in your editor, you've probably measured the offset in frames, and that is a totally different unit. So how do you convert? Well, there's a free site called utool.io. It's a little shameless plug, I know, but on there is a tool called FPS to ms, which stands for milliseconds. So you'll do a recording with OBS, bring it into your editor, and then count how many frames it took to get your audio back in sync, and then place that number in the tool. You can't just type the number of frames that you're off. You actually need to know the FPS of what you're recording first. So to do this, you'll go into OBS, you'll go to your settings, and then you'll go to video. And your output FPS is in this window, and it's usually 30 or 60. Now the tool itself takes care of the math, and it will tell you how many milliseconds each frame is. So if your audio is lagging 18 frames behind your video at 60 FPS, 18 times 16.7 is about 300 milliseconds. So in that case, you'll enter -300 into the sync offset, do a test recording, and then see if you're dialed in or not. And if you're not, rewatch the earlier parts of the tutorial and double check all of your settings. A couple of pro tips in this and things worth knowing about before you finalize your number. One, always do a quick test after. You might need to bump it by a few more milliseconds to get it perfect. And then a great way to test this is clap in front of your camera, record for 10 seconds, and then check it in your editor. The frame the hands are touching, you should see the peak in the waveform. And then two, if your delay is more than 950 milliseconds, you've hit the cap inside of OBS. If that happens, the fix is to, instead of delaying your video source using a filter, you're going to have to find out why you have that much latency in the first place. It's usually a Bluetooth headset or an audio interface with a super high buffer. Now, some of you watching are going to run into a completely different problem entirely. Not a fixed audio delay, but the audio is slowly drifting further and further out of sync as the recording continues. So super long recordings, your audio is just going to keep getting out of sync, or your audio is at a completely different length than your video. And that is not a latency issue. This is audio drift, and a simple sync offset won't fix this because that gap is just going to keep growing. The most common cause is a mismatch sample rate. So your mic might be running at 44.1 kilohertz while OBS is set to 48 kilohertz, or vice versa. They're on different clocks, so they're counting time just differently, and they will drift apart. So the fix is actually inside of OBS. So if you go to OBS, then your settings, and then audio, the sample rate is set to 48 kilohertz. And if it's not, set it to 48 kilohertz. That could be a problem right there. And then you're going to go into your Windows sound settings, and then you're going to click the audio device one by one if you have multiple. If you just have one, you just have one. You're going to hit Properties, Advanced, and then make sure every single one is set to 48,000 hertz. And then once everything is on the same clock, the drifting stops. But if you've already... You're probably watching this. If you've already got a long recording that is doing this, you have a ruined long recording. So you'll need to manually sync it in your editor at multiple points. It's tedious, I know, but that's the only fix for a file that's already been recorded with a drift. So to recap, To fix audio delay, use the sync offset in advanced audio properties. Positive value if the audio is ahead, and then a negative value if it's behind. Convert your frames to milliseconds using the first link in the description, and then make sure to know your FPS of what you're recording. And then with drifting or stretched audio, it is a sample rate mismatch, more than likely. Let me know in the comments if you've done all of this and it's still happening. But set everything to 48 kilohertz in OBS and in Windows, and that should go away. Small tweaks, but they will save you hours in post, especially with the audio drift problem. So if you have any problems or questions, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to get to everyone. Like and subscribe if this video has helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.